Okay, another one. Swerte talaga tong rod na to, pre. Swerte, swerte. Ano kaya isda to? Same kaya? Kadalwa na kaming malaki. Let's see. Abay, malaki. Same! Nice one, pare! 2 fish, pare! Same! Nice one! Same! You got 2 fish, pare! Tripod fish! Good size, pare! We have 3 na.
Nice.
Nice one!
Good job.
Okay, let's put it in the cooler.
Okay.
Good, good, good. Hold it, pare.
I will hold when you help me out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Finish the video.
Okay, just one moment. Good.